Hi everyone. Today we'll show you how to connect ActiveCampaign to Shopify. New to ActiveCampaign? Check the description for a free trial link. Already a user? Just log in and follow along. First, open the app section and search for the Zapier app. This app will help us link ActiveCampaign with Shopify. Click Set this app up, and if you don't have a Zapier account yet, create one. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Zapier dashboard. Next, click Create and select Zaps. If you need help, use the Copilot feature. Choose both Shopify and ActiveCampaign from the list and fill in the required details on the right-hand side. To connect your ActiveCampaign account, you'll need your API URL and API key. In your ActiveCampaign account, go to Settings, then Developer, and copy the necessary information. Paste these details into the corresponding fields. After that, click Sign into Shopify and enter your site details to connect and authenticate your Shopify account. Once you've configured all your settings, click Continue. When everything is set up, click Publish, and you're all set. And before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Your support by watching our video is greatly appreciated. Thank you for being a part of our mission.